So today we are doing a bunch of things. Jeez, I'm so busy. Not really. But basically we got my friend Tyler's PC. We are bringing his PC to my house and we're swapping out my parts and his parts because we want to trade cases. And then I don't really know how to do that. So we're going to be picking up my friend Goose from SF. Then we're going to be going to a car meet right after. And then I'll take you guys along for the ride. After car meet, we'll just go fix the PC. Meet up with my other friend, Goose. Both short for Gustavo. At like burritozilla after the meet. And then after that, we're gonna go fix that PC, swap everything out, maybe upgrade, give him my graphics card, because I feel like upgrading now from the RTX 2080. But right now I'm just headed home. Just picked up the PC, headed home, gotta start the car and head towards SF. I'll see you guys then. Alright, so here we are, we're on the road now. We're headed over to pick up Kai at South SF. He's gonna hate this car. He's been in my old seat, he hated the seats, but he's gonna hate these seats even more. They are bucket seats. Okay guys, we made it. We are here. We're just now waiting for my friend. And then we need to head to that car meet that I need to find out the place for. We're headed to this meet. Don't go worry. It's pretty far. Always use Waze. So it'll take like an hour to get there. The meet ends at 12 and then we gotta meet my other friend Goose. I'm still waiting for Gus. Look who it is. That's Goose. Hey big guy, you want some Prime? I'm gonna be honest, these two are like one of the only two good flavors. These two flavors, there's the blue one and then there's the red one over there.
That one's pretty dope.
Pretty good.
Pretty cool.
Alright, let's head to the meet, dude. It ends at 12. It is 9:50 and we'll be there by 10. You excited?
Yeah.
Alright, slime, let's go. We'll see you guys
is it?
on the road. I know, I was telling everyone, I was like, oh shit, you might hate the seats because they're bucket seats.
Nah, I don't care about them. They're pretty comfortable. It's just whatever.
Is this your first time hearing the exhaust in person?
This is the same one that you had on the old one, right?
Yeah, but did I ever pick you up in the old one with it?
I'm not sure.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds so good.
And so
Queen SFC.
Oh, they're already over there. He's pulling out.
he's back there.
That's a funny ass sticker. Holy shit. Did you see this? The sticker's fucking funny.
Yeah, I saw it.
That's all I'm thinking. They're just in the back seats, but then I'm like, fuck, are they gonna have two-seaters? Like two-seaters with everybody else? But yeah, I don't know. I'm a sucker for two. I like two. But the sedans need two. That's all it's not.
Got the whole Miata lineup. The whole Miata lineup. I have no idea, I'm gonna be honest.
I know it's a wagon, right?
Ooh, damn. And a trailer. I don't know what that is.
What happened?
Shut up.
You think this was it?
Q's nice.
Huh?
I really like this G.
Did you ever put bags in your car?
Nah.
Huh?
Alfa Romeo.
I always thought they were cool, but then like the front end ones go up.
Alfa Romeo?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like their little signature.
My buddy's Pontiac, you've probably seen it, the blown Pontiac, silver. I don't know if he's ever, but it's gonna blown out.
I should have brought another hoodie. I just grabbed whatever. This was my only clean one. Plus I thought it'd be colder here.
I didn't want to bring my luggage, but I did it.
I think it's nice.
VTEC.
Stock, he needs new wheels, but still. Rather stay on stock wheels than get wrecked.
That's
Z01. Z01s are super clean. I love them. I think we saw that.
Huh?
No, I think we saw this guy. No. Where? Oh, the 300? Yeah. Well, let's just keep going though. We'll go like around. Oh, there's the Hot Wheels guy that I usually go to. The Hot Wheels guy that I follow, that's his truck over there.
Headers, bunch of headers, exhaust intake, wired switches, harness. That's all you need. Digital that fucking wakes it up. Yeah, dude. LSD T56 now. Yeah, LSD too. LSD T56. I got LSD on mine too. Yeah, I took the fucking dashboard or the bumper off.
Oh, he's got the stitching drift car.
Mustang.
It is hella nice. Okay. Oh. You want to go look at the Hot Wheels?
I'm done.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we got Hot Wheels. What'd you get, Kai?
Cars of your ex. You gotta get this one.
Alright, come on, let's go walk around.
It's a hybrid.
Oh my god. Huh? Oh my goodness. Watch out, watch out. I want to look at that 300 over there. Where? Oh.
Export.
Is this thing for sale?
Stats. No,
No, I didn't find out about these until I bought my Z.
This looks nice as hell.
I know, it's just, I just love the body style.
There's another model. The safety hazard. I like to paint on this stuff. Sad.
That paint is crazy though. You want to check?
Nah, this is nice watching.
It sounds like gunshots. What does it sound like?
That's a nice Mustang. That thing is super nice.
That color on that. Huh?
This 180.
¿Qué viene de Japón esto o qué, mijo? Ya de la mano de la. Sí, ¿a qué lado era? Ya, a la derecha.
Yeah, that color is super nice.
Look at that. Look at that shit.
What?
I'm kidding.
I don't know.
This WRX right here.
don't know if it's paint or wrap.
I think it's paint.
Looks like paint, yeah. I mean, that could just be the wrap.
Oh.
Still in the meeting too. I need those. What do you call it? I need those fenders that guy has on his Z. The Z. I need those fenders.
What fender?
The front fender. Yeah.
I mean, he's in the car. You can ask him.
You think I'm gonna ask someone? You think I'm that social? You're wrong. You haven't seen my last video.
You should be social enough.
You haven't seen my last video. I need a network, but fuck that. I'm weird. Alright, you wanna go?
Huh?
You wanna go now? Oh dude, that guy's headlights are cool. That's a Z. That shit's fucking loud.
God damn.
I think there's someone talking to him. Uh-oh, someone got in trouble. It's not focusing.
We're in San Francisco.
That's hella funny.
We went to the pier.
Alright guys, we're going to Burritozilla now.
Get us that 18-inch burrito.
No, I'm not gonna get one of those. Those things are way too big.
I eat that on one hole. I had breakfast. Or dinner yesterday.
Shit. Should we take my mom's, the daily? There's more room in there.
Nah, it's all good here.
Alright, well, we're gonna go meet up with my other friend, Goose.
Yeah, I'm the original one though.
He is the original one. We're gonna go meet with him, eat some burritos, and then we should go ahead and fix the PC.
Yeah, wizard time.
We're just literally transferring everything over from my case to Tyler's case and Tyler's stuff to my case.
Oh! I thought it was just what you went to. Okay, I get you now.
Oh wait, what do you think?
I thought you had another case that you just wanted me to move his stuff to his.
No, we're moving my stuff to his case and his stuff to my case.
Oh, you want his case?
Yeah, and he wants my case.
I didn't know that. Okay.
Alright, we'll see you guys there. Okay, we just ate.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I mean, I've been here. It's amazing.
I didn't want to put the camera in Goose's face. Not this Goose, the other Goose, because out of respect. But he liked it. It was his first time. It was really good. I can't even see it, but it's Iguana's Burritozilla right next to Mission College. That shit was good. There's a Tesla right there with a carbon fiber hood. Pretty crazy. All the shit you see in San Jose.
Yeah. Glad his walls in this car though.
I'm sorry, okay. Lower the windows. Alright, we're gonna go head back, fix the PC, and we'll probably set up the camera while we fix it. We'll see you guys.
Cut to extreme time lapse for the PC.
Wow, we're not even home yet.
It's gonna cut to it.
Yeah, we'll do a stream time lapse when we're there. Bro, I swear to God, if that dog's barking the entire time, I'm gonna kill myself.
He's gonna be.
Alright,
You know already.
we're taking apart the computer, taking everything out of mine. We're gonna take everything out of my friends. We're just swapping the cases.
We're gonna swap. We're gonna be all in them guts.
Yeah, I'm just gonna probably time lapse it, to be honest.
Yeah, put some NCS in the background.
No, I'll just put some Ram 3000. Yeah. Okay, what do? We just finished getting everything out. Come on, Kai.
What? Oh yeah, we just finished taking out the internals for his computer. Now we're gonna take out
everything for Tyler's computer next.
and we're gonna Frankenstein it.
Yes, sir. Alright. Oh, I'll probably just put the camera down. No time lapse for this one, so we can just get it. Actually, you want to tell everyone what happened?
This is screwed, and we can't literally open it. So I'm putting super glue, and I'm gonna glue this thing to this right here like that, and I'm gonna wait until it dries out, and hopefully it works.
The whole bolt is literally stripped.
I tried pulling it out with the tweezers. I tried everything I could.
So we had to go to Home Depot because the bolt stripped.
Yeah,
I'm
the
recording on my.
the guy who bought the computer, well, the guy who sold the computer to his friend, and one of the things was already
The
stripped.
Prius. There's no way. Full sand, do it, Goose. Okay, we got it. Let's go. Let's go. Woo!
Got this bitch out. Fuck this, okay? Whoever built this shit, fuck you and fuck your mom. It was 2:30 when we started doing this one.
It is 6:50 right now. It's not focusing. I'm gonna kill it. It's 6:50 right now, bro.
For example, this one right here took us 45 minutes. So it was 2:30 when we started on this one, and we were just stuck on this bitch right here. This fucker.
For the longest fucking time.
This is the stupidest reason why this takes forever.
Got it out. Kai's putting my stuff in. I don't know computers, so. That's
I'm just screwing in the motherboard right now. That's all.
Whoa, you hear that?
Every time your phone turns on, it reminds me how lonely I am.
I'm sorry.
Fuck, it won't go in.
Oh no, I'm bent over in a vulnerable position. I sure hope a big sexy Mexican man doesn't come up behind me and fuck me in the ass.
Oh, I don't know who that would be.
You.
I'm not Mexican, sorry.
What are you, Samoan?
Fuck no. See,
okay.
Alright. We're done with this computer. All we need to do now is see if it turns on and it boots up Windows, and then if that works, we plug in the rest of the hard drives and allocate them, and then he's good to go. That one should take less because it's less things to do, and I built that one, so it's better. We don't have to worry.
I didn't want to bore you guys with the time lapse, so we just cut straight to the point. We're about to plug it in, like Kai said.
Push it more towards me.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Careful. Shit, it's actually on the screwdriver. How do we turn? Is it this button?
Yeah, the big one. Push it. Yo! Calm the fuck down. I'm gonna go home. Oh! This is the problem.
What?
We didn't connect this to this. That's why it's right here.
Oh my god.
Alright.
What happened?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
What happened?
Apparently the graphics card isn't getting enough power.
So, yeah, apparently graphics cards aren't getting power. I mean, mine works, but if anything, I'm sorry. I don't know. I'm saying it's just the cable. We just swapped them out.
That's what I'm doing right now. I ate the cat.
Come over here and kiss me on my hot mouth. I'm feeling romantical.
Yes! Oh my god, kiss me on the lips.
No.
Get over here. Oh shit, whoa.
Alright, we finished this shit. I ended up getting shit Pokemon cards and a broken hard drive. Here we go.
That's your payment?
That's my payment.
So I'm really bad at recording outros, so I'll just record an outro right now. Basically, we got everything done. Computer runs fine, everything runs great. Same thing goes for Tyler's computer, everything runs phenomenally. Right now I'm just headed to work. It's so windy today. But as you guys see in the video, car meet was kind of mid. We should have went to the Santa Cruz one, honestly. That one was more poppin' with less, I guess, more finished builds over there. At the one we went to was kind of mid, to be honest. But oh well. There's the Eliminate meet this Saturday. Hopefully this video will be out by Wednesday. But other than that, we'll be there this Saturday. If you guys like the video, like, comment, sub. Really do appreciate it. Really does help boost the YouTube algorithm. Trying to do YouTube more this year. Gonna go to a lot of car events.
Red light camera.
Just try to do what I can. Maybe upgrade the Z, maybe full bolt on this whole year. But we'll see. Alright, see you guys soon.